Hi everyone, in this video we are going to learn topic 7, job order costing. In this video, we will cover subtopic. First, definition of job order costing. Second, characteristic job order costing. Third, determination of cost per job. And fourth, journal entries for job order costing. There are two methods to determine manufacturing cost. First, job order costing, and second, process costing. It depends on product type and manufacturing process. Definition: job order costing is a method to calculate cost based on order from the customer. The objective is to compute the cost for each job. Costs are assigned to each job or to each batch of goods to fill a specific customer order. Each job has its own distribution characteristic. Example of product using job order costing are wedding invitation card that is ordered by customer and family day t-shirt that is ordered by customer. The characteristic of job order costing in terms of product type. The product job based on customer's order. Products are usually more than one and can be distinguished from each other. Cost accumulation. Costs that incurred are identified for a production separately based on job. Cost flow. Direct material, direct labor and overhead assigned to each job called work in process. When the job is completed, it will be posting to finished goods account. If the goods is sold, it will be posting to cost of goods sold. Documentation: material acquisition form, time ticket, and job cost sheet. Determination of cost per job. Accumulates the cost of each job produced using normal costing system. How to calculate cost per job? If the production involves only one department, the cost per job equal to beginning work in process plus actual direct material plus actual direct labor plus applied overhead minus ending work in process. If the production involves more than one department, the cost per job equal to total cost for department 1 plus total cost for department 2. When the job completed, cost per unit will calculate cost per unit equal to total job or production cost divided by total unit produced. Source document used to record the cost chargeable to a specific job is material requisition form and time ticket. Material requisition form to record material used in production process, which effective internal control over issuance of material. The storekeeper should receive authorization before materials are released to production. It is indicate the quantity and type of cost per unit of material withdrawn. Source document for posting requisition direct material from material inventory account to work in process inventory. This is the example of material requisition form. It consists date, job number, department requisition number, material description, quantity used, cost per unit, amount, and approved by. Time ticket. Prepared to record direct labor cost incurred in production process. Time ticket is prepared when the work is performed by direct labor. The account work in progress inventory is debited for direct labor. This is example of time ticket. It consists information of employee, employee number, ticket number, job, date, time start, time stop, total hours, rate, amount, total, and approved by. As conclusion, there are two main source documents, which is material requisition form and time ticket. Material requisition form to record raw material used, while time ticket to record direct labor incurred. We are posting to job cost sheet. Job cost sheet, a form used to record the cost chargeable to a job and to determine the total and unit cost of the completed job. Costs involved are direct material, direct labor, and applied overhead. One job cost sheet is assigned to each job or batch. This is an example of job cost sheet. Job cost sheet consists customer information, job number, item that requested, that completed, direct material figure that gathered from material requisition form, and direct labor cost gathered from workers' time ticket, while applied overhead calculated by actual activity base times POR or predetermined overhead rate. Cost of completed job and cost per unit are shown after cost table prepared. Journal entries. There are 8 journal entries in job order costing as listed below. To record direct material purchase, debit raw materials inventory and credit accounts payable or cash. Journal entries to record current costs incurred. To record direct material use, debit work in process inventory and credit raw materials inventory. To record direct labor costs used, debit work in process inventory and credit factory wages payable. To record applied manufacturing overhead, debit work in process inventory and credit manufacturing overhead. Next, to record others actual manufacturing costs including indirect materials and indirect labor, debit manufacturing overhead, credit raw materials inventory, credit factory wages payable, credit factory insurance prepaid, credit accumulated depreciation, credit activities payable, credit cash or accounts payable. This depends on the transaction. Next, to record completed goods, debit finished goods inventory and credit work in process inventory. There are 2 journals involved to record goods sold. First, to record cost of goods sold, debit cost of goods sold and credit finished goods inventory. Second, to record sales of finished goods, debit account receivable and credit sales. Adjustment either under or over applied overhead. It will do at the end of accounting period. Adjustment to cost of goods sold. Adjustment journal entries depends on over or under applied. If over applied, debit manufacturing overhead and credit cost of goods sold. If under applied, debit cost of goods sold and credit manufacturing overhead. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.